Welcome to the new welding facility at Otero Junior College. Our welding program is designed to help you acquire the skills needed in construction, fabrication, plant maintenance environments, as well as the railroad and pipeline industries. As a student, you will have the opportunity to train and practice on some of the industry's most up-to-date equipment, where you can complete up to 5 certificates ranging from basic welding skills, including Welding Fundamentals 1, oxyacetylene, Welding Fundamentals 2, and our welding production. Instructors in the OJC welding program are experienced professionals in the field of welding who bring their real-world experience to the classroom and will give you serious hands-on training in a variety of welding procedures. Employment forecasts project that the need for welders is expected to grow in the coming future. Need a few more reasons to consider a career in welding? Typically, the welding industry offers higher than average starting pay, good benefits, and a bright future. And we know you'll fit right in. That's because students enrolled in the OJC program are men and women who range from high school students, traditional college-age students, to adult learners. Financial aid is available to those who qualify. Students are eligible to apply for many of the OJC scholarship opportunities. Plus, housing and dining services are available on campus for students who may not live in the area. If you're interested in our program, we encourage you to schedule a visit to tour our OJC facility and meet the program faculty. 12 months of training for a lifelong career.